Alright, so this is a update from putting engine restore in this little excavator. Still looking at getting another engine or trying to rebuild what I have here, but until then I was thinking about putting engine restore in here. So I did put it in there, and it does seem to be helping a little bit. So here is a before video. And here is after. So I'm gonna crank it up and let you look at it. I'm gonna glow plug it. It's pretty warm out here right now. It's June. End of June. It's probably like 95 degrees out here, so it shouldn't take long for it to crank up. So there's a little bit of diesel smoke, which I expect that. It's not going to stop that. But there is hardly any blue smoke. I mean, I am really impressed on that. That is crazy. It is literally hardly any blue smoke. I mean, that's amazing. It went from a whole lot of blue smoke to very little blue smoke. I can see the smoke, but I don't know if anybody else can really see it on camera. I don't know if it's showing up or not. So yeah, I'm still gonna have to work on that engine knock. Not an engine knock, that's an injector knock. I replaced the injectors in it. So now that I've replaced the injectors, I'm going to start working on the injection pump. I'm going to get the parts and put in new delivery valves, because I think that's what it is. But that engine restore really helped mask that smoking problem. So, and I think if it runs long enough, there won't be hardly any smoke. But yeah, I mean, that's really interesting how that stuff does work. Yeah, it worked.